Micson Corporation, precision in metal, excellence in innovation. Welcome to Micson Corporation, where precision in metal meets excellence in innovation. With over 2 decades of experience, Micson Corporation has been a pioneer in manufacturing over 800 customized metal components. Since our inception in 1997, we have secured our place at the pinnacle of precision metal components manufacturing. Our sprawling 20,000 square feet facility, equipped with cutting-edge technology, reflects our commitment to excellence. From 2D and 3D design to forging, CNC units to inspection departments, we've created a utopia for cost, quality, and timing. Our dynamic company is powered by a great team. Our human assets, including production engineers, designers, commercial and account teams, and skilled workmen, undergo unique training programs to ensure excellence in their departments. Micson Corporation caters to versatile markets worldwide, including pneumatic and hydraulic fittings, automotive, gasket components, sanitary fittings, and more. Our capabilities extend to industries such as defense, oil and gas, and electrical and electronic equipment, utilizing raw materials such as brass, copper, stainless steel, aluminium, and more. Our capabilities span forging, milling, drilling, slotting, and surface treatments. We adhere to international standards and provide custom solutions for small and big orders. Why choose Micson Corporation? With over 2 decades of manufacturing experience, a commitment to quality, an ISO 9001:2015 certification, and a streamlined process from importing raw materials to delivering quality components, we are your reliable partner. Quality is at the heart of Micson Corporation. From material inspection to the entire production process, we follow stringent quality management systems. Our certifications include ISO 9001:2015, ensuring consistent delivery of products that meet customer and regulatory requirements. Micson Corporation has a global footprint, exporting to the UK, Europe, Australia, the USA, and the Gulf. Our commitment to quality transcends borders. Contact Micson Corporation for precision components, oil and gas components, sanitary components, and more. Reach us at +9 128825624000 or email us at info@mixontechnode.com. For more info, www.mixontechnode.com. Micson Corporation, precision in metal, excellence in innovation shaping tomorrow, today.